for all of my kids. These are all my kids.
Oh no. And their house is broken?
And these are all my kids, and I'm gonna fix them.
Okay.
I'm gonna fix this house.
Okay.
Can you give me screw mods?
Sure.
My box is on there.
Oh.
Screw. Mom, can you give me hammer
Sure.
for this screwing part?
Bang, 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 bang.
Can you give me screwdriver?
Sure. Do you want a flathead or a Phillips head?
Just that kind of like that.
So I think that's a Phillips head. There you go.
Is this for real? They're not cutting me off, are they? I mean,
Now, can you give me the pencil to write their names?
Yeah. There you go.
I got 2 pencils.
Okay.
And I'm gonna decorate it.
Okay.
I'm gonna decorate first.
That's what construction workers do.
Yeah. They decorate it. It's all decorated.
It's beautiful. So are they going to move in? Is it fixed?
No?
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
Can you give me a lot of hammers?
A lot of them, yeah. Here's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Oh, what do you think?
It's perfectly clean.
Okay, it's perfectly ready for everybody to move in?
Yeah.
And they can go back to school?
Yeah.
Yay,
This
let's
is
see what they think.
school.
Okay.
And it got broke from the bad monster, so you had to have.
Okay.
It was broke by the bad monster.
Oh, that's why you're having to fix it?
Yeah.
Well, it's really nice that you saved all your friends.
Yeah.
I don't know what I was thinking. The whole thing's kind
The
of
monsters can jump all the way out of here.
grilled cheese and tomato soup from
They can jump all the way out here.
Hmm.
So they're really small and they can't jump out there.
Well, at least the kids will be safe at school.
Yeah.